Hello everyone, I am Madiha Fatima, a student from MS Creative School, Rajendra Nagar branch, Hyderabad, India. If I were the Prime Minister of South Asia, I wouldn't ask, how can I become a great leader? Instead, I would ask, how can I make South Asia the best place in the world as a child to grow up? Because when a child is educated, safe, healthy and hopeful, the nation develops itself. Today, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka are home to nearly 1/4 of the world's population. We are rich in culture, history, talent, tradition, and diversity. Yet we often face some common challenges: climate disasters, misinformation, unequal opportunities, unemployment, poverty. These problems, they don't stop at borders. So why should our solutions? My first priority would be saving lives before the disaster strikes. Every year, floods in Bangladesh, melting glaciers in Nepal and Bhutan, heat waves in India and Pakistan, rising sea levels in Maldives, landslides in Sri Lanka, and earthquakes affecting parts of Afghanistan remind us that nature does not recognize borders. Instead of each country working alone, I would create a South Asian disaster response force. The moment a disaster strikes, trained rescue teams, doctors, engineers, and volunteers from across South Asia would work together to save lives. Because when lives are at risk, humanity must come first before any borders. My second priority would be saving our future. That's our environment. The rivers we depend belongs to everyone. The air we breathe belongs to everyone. And even the climate does not recognize any borders. I would launch South Asian Climate Mission, bringing together students, scientists, farmers, innovators from all the 8 nations to protect forests, rivers, oceans, and biodiversity. Not just because it is fashionable, but because there is no second Earth waiting for us. Third, I would fight the most dangerous, invisible enemy: misinformation. Today, the false message spreads faster than the truth. It creates fear, hatred, and division within few minutes, no matter from where the information comes from. So I would make digital literacy a basic life skill. Every student would not just learn how to use technology, but also to question it, verify information, and think critically. A strong South Asia is built by informed citizens, not forwarded messages. Finally, I would create something new: Ministry of Future. Most governments spend their time solving today's problems, but I would prepare for tomorrow's. The ministry would study artificial intelligence, future jobs, cybersecurity, climate risk, biotechnology, and new technology before they become crisis. Because great leaders don't just react to the future, they prepare for it. And before passing any major policy, I would simply ask one question: will this conclusion make life better for children 50 years from now? If the answer is no, I will think again. Because true leadership is not about winning the elections, it is about protecting the next generation. If I were the Prime Minister of South Asia, I wouldn't want history to remember me for the number of speeches I gave. I want countries to remember that under my leadership, countries chose cooperation over competition, innovations over excuses, truth over misinformation, and mainly humanity over division. Because the greatest achievements of a leader is not building taller buildings, it's about building brighter futures. Thank you.